In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add weekly, stacked, daily changes in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any market you like: stocks, crypto, forex, or indices. Once your chart is loaded, we're going to head straight to the indicators section, because that's where all the tools and custom scripts live. On the top of your chart, you'll see a button labeled Indicators. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the Indicators and Strategies window. This is essentially TradingView's library of built-in and community-made tools that you can overlay on your chart to get more insight. At the top of this window, you'll notice a search box. Click inside the search box so you can start typing. This search bar lets you filter all available indicators, which is really useful when you know roughly what you're looking for. Now, in that search box, type in weekly stacked daily changes. Give it a second and TradingView should show you matching indicators. You're looking for the one that's specifically named weekly stacked daily changes, or something very close to that. When you see it in the list, simply click on it once. TradingView will automatically add it to your chart. You should now see the indicator applied, usually either at the bottom of your chart in a separate panel or overlaying the price chart, depending on how it's designed. This tool is meant to show you how each day's change builds up across the week, so you can quickly visualize daily performance within a weekly context. It's especially useful if you're analyzing momentum, volatility, or just want a clearer breakdown of how a week's move is constructed day by day. If you don't see it right away, make sure it's enabled in the list of indicators on your chart. You can access that by hovering over the chart, looking to the left or top where your active indicators are listed, and confirming that the eye icon next to the indicator is turned on. Because this indicator requires TradingView Pro, if you're currently on the free version or a lower plan and want to unlock it, check out the affiliate link in the description. That link will take you directly to TradingView's Pro sign-up page, where you can upgrade your account and then follow the same steps we just walked through. And that's all you need to do to add weekly stacked daily changes to your TradingView Pro charts.